Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm talking about why invest with Festus. And this is a really good question because a lot of people might ask, why would I listen to a 26-year-old YouTuber who, and what type of experience does he have or qualifications does he have in order for me to want to listen to this person? Now, my subscriber base, let's be honest, is pretty small at this time. And those who listen to me already know a lot about my background, where I come from, what I've done, and how I got to where I am. So, a little bit about me, if you don't already know. I am a real estate investor, always actively looking for more deals. But more importantly, I am someone who has been in the stock market for almost a decade. And I absolutely love anything to do with stocks. Why? Because stocks are businesses. And with investing with Festus and investing for the future, we're always looking forward. And in doing so, I'm always looking at businesses that I project will be innovative and provide value in the future. For example, Facebook with its metaverse, well, that is something of extraordinary value that a lot of the people who don't watch this channel are just simply not ready for. And the money that will be made, the billions and trillions of dollars in that industry alone, right? People are not thinking about how they can amass some wealth in that sector. And so invest with Festus is more so for those who, again, have that future outlook, want to understand business, want to understand investing, and want to learn from someone who not only reads about it and does YouTube videos on it, but is actually invested in these things. So it will be a rare occasion if I talk about something that I don't do. For example, I'm in the single family and multifamily space. I am not going to be talking about commercial real estate if I'm not investing or even looking to invest in commercial real estate. So that's not a topic for me to cover on this channel. If you're someone who's already been in the real estate game, already did single family, already done multifamily, and you don't really need any tips or tricks from me, then go ahead and look for a commercial real estate advisor or YouTuber to learn a little bit from. Do I know things about commercial real estate? Sure. But again, I like to talk about topics that I actively do, that I'm actively working on and doing things in. So if I just know things, but I haven't implemented the strategies, I haven't felt the stress and the pressures of that environment, I'm not going to talk about it like I know everything. So I only talk about what I know. And, I understand that I'm ahead of my time. And so because of that, I will instill that knowledge into those who are willing to listen. Because if they see me do it, they know where I came from. You know where I came from. And if I can do it, then most definitely you can, right? I mean, that's the mindset you should have. That's the mentality you should have, right? I'm no better than you, and therefore you should be able to achieve just as much, if not more. And so that's why I created this channel, Invest with Festus. For those of you who believe in yourselves, believe that you have a future, and you want to either do things in the stock market, the investment world, or the real estate world as well. Another thing that I wanted to talk on now that I have your attention is something that I'm recently going through, which is a change in agents. With my real estate agent expanding his horizons, I'm super excited about that, and I'll probably still work with him on multiple deals in the future. However, in this tough environment, it's also important to understand that you need an agent that is going to supply you with deals that are beneficial to you. And at the time, he didn't have the capacity to do that for me. And so I'm also looking at real estate agents currently to see who can offer me what I need in order to be successful in this market. Um, Prior to learning as much as I know as a real estate investor, I would have most likely opted out of the market, right? So if it was 2, 3 years ago, I would have said, this is not a market for me to invest in. Interest rates are too high. There's absolutely nothing that I should be looking towards doing. I don't want to get into this space. But now that I am what I would call a seasoned investor, still a lot of room to grow, still a lot to learn, but I understand more about loans, financing, and different types of real estate and how I can offset the cost of it by having other people pay the rents, pay the mortgage, things of that nature, that I now understand that I can cash flow in almost any environment. And in fact, if I'm able to find a cash flowing deal in this environment, when interest rates do get low, I will be extraordinarily happy and above the pack, because when I do get to refinance into a better, cheaper interest rate, the sky is the limit at that point. And will it take a few years? Absolutely. But again, you make money when you buy, not when you sell. So it's all about finding the right deals. And, I have agents that are coming to me now who do work with investors full time, and they are telling me that they have deals that haven't even hit the market yet. They're telling me that they have investors who are looking to sell their properties. They're telling me that these investors haven't even put these deals on the MLS. So again, it's about branching out and not just being stuck in your shell. Because if you're stuck in that shell, you lose sight of opportunities that you may not have ever been privy to, or you may not have known existed, right? So expanding and reaching out to other people do allow you to break into new markets and new communities. But I am someone who prides myself on my relationships and working with those who have helped me and supported me. And so strengthening those ties while still doing what's best for me is very, very important. And so that's a new hurdle for me. That's a new experience that I'll be going through, because again, my agents are amazing, top notch, and I would never, never want to get on their bad side, because I know that I'm going to need them more than they're going to need me on several deals. And as you continue to improve yourself, whether it's stocks, real estate, whatever it is you do, just ensure that you're humble, you're gracious, you take your defeats well, and you take your wins even better. In this life, if I'll be honest with you, 100% honest with you, some people may look at my life and say I'm ahead of my time, I'm ahead of the pack, whatever the case may be. Understand that it is very hard to get to where I am now, and to get to where I'm going is going to be even harder. And so when you do experience those wins, it almost feels as though, yeah, it was expected, like it was deserved, because it takes so long to achieve just one win and then another win and then another win. Look at my YouTube video. I'm approaching over a year now on this channel. And so understand that I'm not one of those guys who get overnight success. I'm not one of those guys who just woke up one day with 2 houses, or woke up one day with 100,000 liquid in assets, or woke up one day with a stock market account that just overflows with dividends. I wasn't one of those guys. I had to work for that. I had to continue to pound my money, my resources, my time, my energy, sleepless nights. I'm surprised my brain even still works. The amount that I was going and going and going and going. But guess what? I still feel as if it was slow. I still feel as if I progressed so slowly with all the work and with all the efforts that I put in. So if you feel like you're not going to work as hard, or you don't want to put in as much time, that's absolutely okay. And you can dial it back a little bit, but understand that it's going to take you even longer to get to where I am. right? Not everybody's going to have the same drive or motivation. Some may even have more drive than me. They may listen to this video and they're going to say, I'm going after it and I'm going to get it. And investing in the future is for you to do just that. Investing with Festus is for you to do just that. And so I just wanted to let you all know that I'm here for you. Any questions that you have, any comments or concerns, let me know in the comment section down below. I don't only do stocks. I don't only do real estate. I also invest in businesses. I also invest in different types of government bonds and assets, Series I bonds, all different types of stuff. I have tons of loans to talk about, tons of things that I can get into. If you want to know more about any specific topic, I'll let you know whether or not I'm capable of covering that, and then we can go over that. But I'm just going to talk about the more broader stuff that I think most people want to hear, unless you're giving me what you actually want to know in the comment section down below. Trust and believe that I can break that down for you better than anybody can, because I really believe that I will put my heart and soul into my content in order to make sure you have the information that you need. So again, if you like this video, make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe. You know I post every single day at 8 a.m. daily on YouTube and on Rumble, and I can't wait to see you on the next one. Peace.